Hello friends. So in today video we are going to learn the concept of variable, like what is variable, how we can use it. For that I am going to create a very new file with the name variables.html. As its name suggests, what is variable? You can think that it is a container whose content can change time by time. Means whose content can vary time by time. For example, suppose I have a variable with the name A and at the starting its value is 90. After some steps I do something and then I make its value to 100 anything. Okay, suppose these are some mathematical steps. So what is going on is in this step the value of A is 90. In this step the value of A is 900. Okay. So the name of the variable is same. The name of the container is same, but the content is getting changed with time. Alright. So this is what we are going to do today. So first of all, let us write the basic HTML. And here in the script tag, first I will take directly the values. Suppose I have a function with the name sum, and in order to create a variable in JavaScript, you need to use the keyword var. So let me create a variable a variable B. Okay, so this is not looking good. So basically I can create the variable directly in this way also, like where A comma B comma C. Since A is already created, let us take B and C together. So either you can declare each and every variable separately, or you can declare multiple variables at a time by using the comma. Fine. Now let us give some basic values to the variables. Say A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to, I am saying, A plus B, a very simple mathematical operation. Alright. Now I want to show the value of C in the alert box. So here you should understand, like if I type alert and S, this will print me what? The S itself, because it is inside the double quotes, means it is a value itself. And after that let us give a alert, and here I will give it C. So the value of C over here, make it C. Now this is a function created. Just for our simple purpose, let me create a input where type is equal to button, value is equal to click here, and on click event you are going to fire the function sum. Save it. Let us go to the browser and check what it's come. Means what will happen, this button will come on the display. When I click on the button, the on click event will get fired. On the on click event I am calling the sum function, so the execution will come at this point, right? And over here it will do the 10 plus 20, 30. So see, first of all what comes, this is the output of line number 16, alert C. So you can see it is giving me C directly because I put the C inside the double inverted commas. Okay, so right now this C is what? A particular value. This is not a variable, this is a value itself. Now if I do this one, this is what? C is a variable now. So in place of C over here, it will show me the value of C, that is 10 plus 20, 30. Right? So this is what the variable is. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this one. Again, after that, if I want to change the value of C to the subtraction. So let us say C is equal to A minus B, and then again alert C. This time C will give you what? First C, then sum, then subtraction, that is the minus 10. 10 minus 20 will be minus 10. So you can see the value of change is different in this line, in this alert, and the value of C is different in this alert. This is why, because over here I set the value of C is equal to A plus B. So up to the next point till I didn't update the value of C, it will be same as the previous one. So this is what the variable is, means that can contain a value and you can vary that value time by time as per your requirement.